Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you have ever struggled to get that perfect edge-to-edge medium rare steak at home or spent hours babysitting a pot on the stove, you know that consistency is the biggest challenge in the kitchen. Today we are looking at this commercial-grade 1400-watt Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. This is a machine designed to bridge the gap between professional restaurant equipment and your home countertop. Let us start with the performance. The 1400-watt heating element is a significant step up from the standard consumer models. It means your water reaches the target temperature quickly, saving you valuable time during meal prep. It operates within a range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is incredibly accurate. With a deviation of only plus or minus 1 degree, you are getting laboratory levels of precision for your food. The standout feature here is the high-flow water circulation system. This unit moves water at 25 quarts per minute, which is vital for maintaining a consistent temperature throughout your container. Even if you are using a large stock pot or a deep polycarbonate bin, this pump ensures there are no cold spots. This is exactly what you need to avoid those uneven cooking results that ruin high-quality proteins. Build quality is another highlight. This device features an IPX7 waterproof rating. For a piece of equipment that lives in water, this is essential for longevity. It is constructed with durable stainless steel, and the sleeve is removable, which makes the cleaning process much easier than some of the sealed units on the market. It feels rugged, and it is clearly designed for the wear and tear of daily use, whether that is in a busy home kitchen or a professional catering environment. Using the device is straightforward. The large LCD display is clear and easy to read, even from across the kitchen. The interface is intuitive, making it a great entry point for beginners, while still offering the reliable performance that enthusiasts demand. However, no tool is perfect. Because this is a high-performance commercial unit, it is quite robust, which means it occupies more space than compact travel sous vide sticks. Additionally, if you have a very small kitchen, the power of the pump might be overkill for a small pot. In conclusion, if you are serious about leveling up your culinary game, this immersion circulator is a fantastic investment. It offers the speed of a professional machine, the accuracy that gourmet cooking requires, and the durability to last for years. It takes the guesswork out of cooking steak, fish, vegetables, and meal prep, giving you consistent, restaurant-quality results every single time. If you want to add this to your kitchen setup, you can find the current pricing and more information on the product page. Link in the description.